Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Cooper from GilkyTutors.com, and in today's video, I want to show you a new crash strategy that I've been coming up with. And the best thing about this crash strategy is that you don't have to have very much money in the bank to be able to do this effectively. I know a lot of people have been asking for a strategy like this because for most strategies, you have to have hundreds of dollars in the bank. So right now I have about $45 in the bank, and we'll be using a little bit of that. So we'll only be using about $5 today in this strategy, but you can still make tons of money from this. So here's the gist of how this strategy will work. I call it the rolling profit strategy. So we're going to be using this $5. We're going to put this in. So $5 is about what I would be comfortable losing if I have 45 bucks in my bankroll. I'll still have 40 if I lose it, but if I do win some more money, then that's perfect. So we're going to take that $5. We're going to put it in randomly, and we'll take it out maybe at 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, something like that. Make a couple of bucks. And then what we do is we only use the profit from that $5 to play with. So if we make $2 profit, maybe we'll take $1 and we'll try to turn it into $1.50. So then we'll have $2.50 to play with. And then if we do end up losing that profit that we made from the $5, then we're done for the day. So that way you never actually lose too much money in your bankroll. So I know that's a lot to take in, but let me show you an example. So we're going to start with this $5. Should I put it in here? You know, we're going to go right here. I feel pretty confident. So we're putting in $5. All right, we'll wait a little bit and we'll take it out right about here. So from that, we started out with 45. We have 46.63. So we made about $1.50. So now that we have that $1.50 to play with, let's put in about half of that. We'll put in 75 cents. So we'll wait for this to go. All right, that went up to about 3. I don't know if I feel too confident, so we'll take this out pretty quickly. Our 75 cents. We'll take it out at $1. So we just made an extra 25 cents. We're up to almost 47. So we're up a couple of bucks. So let's take it down. Let's just do 50 cents for this one. We'll go and we'll just play. So the real goal of this strategy is to just make a little bit of money from how much you would be comfortable losing on that day. So if you're comfortable losing $5, you put in $5, you take that profit and you keep playing with it. And I'll keep playing with it for a little bit and just show you guys how much money you can make from this strategy. Oh, okay, we lost 40 cents, but the good thing is we're still up $1.50. So let's put in 25 cents. We'll see how it goes. I'm sensing a yeah. I figured that was coming. So we'll do 25 cents again. I got a good feeling about this one. Oh, okay. We'll see, we just lost 3 times in a row, but guess what? We're still up $1. So we'll put in another bet. All right. Oh my gosh. What are the chances of that? Oh my gosh. All right, let's try this again. We're still up about 50 cents. All right, we'll let it roll a little bit since we weren't doing too well. We'll see. A good sense of when it's going to crash is I always look at the people on the side who are betting a whole bunch of money. That one did end up crashing pretty soon, but you know, we'll go in again, see if we can make some of our money back. All right, so we have 34 cents left. Let's go 25 cents. And then this, if we lose, I guess will be our last bet. Made exactly 40 cents on that one, which is great. So we're getting back up to around 46 bucks. So the best thing about this strategy is that you are simply just playing with your profits. So now we're up to 46.25. Let's try to get up to around 47. I think that'd be a good place to stop for today. Should I take it out here? I'm going to take it out here just to be safe. Oh, wow. That was lucky. That was really lucky. So let's do, should we do 75 cents again? We'll do 75 cents and take it out really fast. Oops, there we go. 88 cents on that one. Oh, awesome. Oh, what? Man, I was like a millisecond too late there. That's pretty good there. All right, so now we're up to 46.72. I think that's where we're going to stop for today. So now after watching this for a little bit, you kind of get the gist of what it's about. You play with your profit, and then what I normally do is I was setting a place where I would stop if I got to. So if I got to 47.50, for example, so you keep doing this in steps. Sometimes I'll do it in dollar amounts and only be betting $2 for the big bet. But there's a lot of different variations, but this can definitely be a great way to make some money in Crash, especially if you have a low bankroll. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more similar content. And if you need tutoring of any kind, please go to gilkytutors.com. Thank you.